Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariel. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So if that's the type of content you enjoy, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button and become a socialite. So today's video is super exciting. It's gonna be my Sephora sales event haul. Y'all, I'm probably more excited on this video than any other haul I've ever done. On my last little trip to Sephora, I feel like I found some diamonds in the rough, and I'm excited to share with you guys. So make sure you watch to the end. I do want to thank Sephora and Magic Links for sponsoring today's video. Beyond grateful. As most of you probably know, the Sephora savings event has started. It started on October the 27th and it goes on to November the 6th. During the sale from October 27th to November the 6th, you get 30% off of all Sephora collection brand products, regardless of your tier. And if you're a Rouge member, you get 20% off your entire purchases October 27th through November the 6th. As a VIB member, you receive 15% off from October 31st all the way through the sale ends on November the 6th. And as an insider member, which to be an insider member, all you have to do is sign up with Sephora with your email, you receive 10% off on October the 31st all the way through the end of the sale on November the 6th. So if you haven't at least signed up with Sephora as a beauty insider member, I do want to encourage you to go ahead and sign up. The perks are just so worth it. So let's just jump right into it. I do have quite a few bags, you guys, so I'm gonna go in order of the stores I went to first all the way to the last store that I shopped at. Being in Houston, we have probably like 10 Sephoras in the city of Houston, so a lot of the stuff that you want usually you can find in one of those stores if you don't mind the drive, which I never mind the drive. So I've been driving around. A little less than half of what was on my wish list I did have to order. Let's get started with bag number one. First store I went to, I picked up the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Spray. The big boy. This is the 200 ml that retails for $56. With the sale, I ended up paying $44. Y'all keep in mind that if you bought 100 mils of this, it would run you $38. This is one of my top 2 favorite setting sprays. You can click on that video right there if you haven't seen my top 2 favorite products in every category at Sephora, but this is on the list, honey, so I was super excited to get this. Next up is the Olehenriksen Dark Spot Toner. This is another one that I told you guys about. Really good product that has been lightening my dark spots on my face. I'm really enjoying it. This is the one I'm currently using. As you can see, I'm almost out of it, so I knew I wanted to get a backup. This is my first Dior Lip Glow Oil. Y'all, I'm late to the party. I'm late to lip oils in general. I just started buying them after one of the socialites told me about it, but this one's in the color 001 Pink. I found out that they do have the Dior lip oils to match the blushes, and because I do have the 001 Pink blush from Dior, I wanted to get the matching lip oil, so hopefully I like the way it looks on my lips. It probably just looks clear, so I'm pretty sure it'll be fine. Next is another socialite recommendation, which is the Fenty Skin Lip Oil. It's the Cherry Treat Conditioning Lip Oil. So let's open this one up, and this is what it looks like. So let's compare the shine. This is the Fenty, and then let's see how the shine compares to the Dior. They both look super shiny. You do get a lot more product that comes out of the Fenty one though. So that's the Dior and that's the Fenty. And they both have like that little chunky wand to them. Next location, I picked up the Caliray Vanilla 28 Duo. On my wish list, I did have Caliray Vanilla 28. I told you I was going back and forth. Did I want to get the Caliray Vanilla 28 or do I want to get the Black Opium Le Parfum, because they're both just vanilla forward fragrances. I ended up going with this one, you guys, because it comes in a set. The only one they had in stock, even on the website, was like the big one that was $125. Well, the morning that the sale started, this popped up. So you get the 1.7 ounce and you get a travel size that you can put in your purse, which basically you get for free for $89. That is a deal. Sign me up. Got these. Super excited for these. They smell so scrumptious. I already told you guys about them. bottom. I've been wearing this fragrance to bed since I got it. I got the travel size like a few weeks ago, and I've been wearing it to bed. Just very sugary, sweet, vanillic, warm. Love it. So if you were thinking about getting this, look into getting this. And like I said, I'll have all the links in the description box. And next is a product that this is something that I didn't think I was going to get. Now, a few of you guys asked me about it when it first launched, and I was just like, you know, I was kind of on the fence about it because I thought this was going to be a product that was like straight up for a makeup artist, and I didn't need anything in that lane, you know what I mean? Let me show you the product. So this is the Danessa Groundwork Defining Neutrals. I know a lot of you probably love this, but what changed my mind and sold me was I saw Danessa went live on Instagram, and I love to watch her do makeup on her live streams on Instagram, and she used this palette. When I tell you all the different ways she used it, the different looks you can create, from using it as an eyebrow product to you can use it as an eyeshadow, you can use them as lip liners, you can use them for contour. It's just endless. Look at this. I'm so excited to show you guys some looks from this palette. The smaller ones are the powders, and then the bigger sections are cream. So every color has a powder and a cream. You can use them as bases, as eyeliner. I mean, it's just endless. So super excited to use this, and they're just a creamy, buttery formula. And then it comes with a really big size mirror here. So yeah, that's just an added bonus. Like, I could see myself even traveling with this, even though it's nice and it's like larger, but it's sort of sleek. And then that bronzy front. How luxe is this? This is quality. It's like a metal plate here, and this feels like leather. Very nice. So happy I got it. Moving on to the next location. Now, this is something that was not on my radar at all. I've never told you guys about it, but I've heard great things about it. This is the Staycation Prime and Set Duo from Caliray. I've never used anything from the brand before, but I've been hearing a lot about their setting spray. And so when I walked past the display, I saw this setting spray and face primer, both full size, for $42. If I would have bought both of these full size separately, it would have been $62. And then with my 20% off, it was just a no-brainer for me. So I'm super excited to use this. Like I said, I hadn't really heard about the primer, but I heard the spray was amazing. Look at this little chunky spray. Too cute. And then here's the primer. So we'll be using this on the next tutorial, and I'll let you guys know my thoughts. Next product is the Fenty Gloss Bombs. You guys know I love the Fenty Gloss Bombs. It was in my favorites. My top 2 in every category glosses was the Fenty Gloss Bombs, and I got the color Fussy. This is one of the more popular colors. I think this is actually Rihanna's favorite color, Fussy. Soft, pretty, neutral pink. Hopefully you guys can see that. The Gloss Bombs are ultra shiny. They don't get on your teeth. They're just a really great product. I think I have about 2, maybe 3 of these, like in different colors. So I love these. Next is a body spray. Now this is something that my daughter picked out. This is for her. She got all A's and 1 B on her report card. So proud of her. So I let her pick something out. She had been asking about the Sol de Janeiro sprays. Don't ask me how she knows about them, because I don't know. Maybe they talk about it at school, but this is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush Cheirosa 68. It's like a light pink color. I know the lights are bright in here, but it's the big one. So they had a deal where when you bought the body spray, then you got the body cream in the small size for free. So yeah, she's super excited to get this. It smells like moody, like ambery and sweet and deep, and smells like something you will wear in like fall, winter. Smells nice actually. And this is the bag that I'm most excited to share with you guys. When I tell you I found some diamonds in the rough, some of you may have tried these products before, but most of them I have not. And I took my time at the last store. I fished around, I looked around, I lollygagged, and let me show you what I got. So first, Laneige. You guys have been raving about Laneige, but when I walked in, I saw the Laneige lip mask had a whole set of like all 5 of the lip masks for like $20, I want to say, and they were the minis, and I was like, oh, this is what the girls were talking about, so let me pick it up. But as I walked towards the back of the store, I realized they also had Laneige lip balm, and I was like, wait. hold on, did they want me to get the lip mask or the lip balm? And I just didn't know which one y'all recommended to me at this point. I'm like, I think we were talking about balms at that point on that video. So I asked the young lady, I said, well, do you guys have a set of the lip balms? And she came back with this set that has the lip mask and the lip balm for $22, girl. And it's a cute pink color that matches my turtleneck. Well, this mock turtleneck. Super cute. I was like, okay, so I get to try both for $22. And if you would have bought them separately, it would have ran you $27. So for me, it was a no-brainer, and I'm super excited to try this out. Next is another set. This is the lipstick duo set from Sephora collection. 2 full-size lipsticks. I think it was $19. I want to say separately they're $13 a piece, and they are full size, and I've been raving about the Sephora collection lipsticks. So this is one of the new matte lipsticks in the shade 18, and it is a beautiful blue based red, matte and creamy, very comfortable on the lips. So you got this color, which I was thinking about getting anyway, and then it also comes with another Sephora collection lipstick full size, and this one is the satin lipstick. And I hadn't tried the satin formula yet. And this one's in the color 03, and this is a neutral shade. How nice. So let me swatch it. That's what it looks like. We're gonna keep that same Sephora collection energy and talk about this Sephora 12-hour colorful pencil. So when I swatched this on my hand, I even used like a makeup removing wipe and couldn't hardly get it off. So this really stays. This is one of those that's gonna stay put, which I need because I got this color for my waterline. So this is the color Coconut, and it looks similar to the shade I have in my waterline. You guys know, if you watch my makeup tutorials or just see my makeup in general, 9 times out of 10 I have like a nude color, like a off-white beige type color in my waterline to make my eyes sort of look larger. And so this is the shade Coconut, and let me swatch it for you. So it's like an off-white shade, which I love these shades for the waterline. What are we thinking about? It's giving you need to add to cart. So yeah, this one's in the shade Coconut, but they had a lot of shades, and this is the type of pencil that just really stays, so you don't have to worry about it wearing off. So I'm going to be using this soon. And then this is one that was on my wish list, you guys, and I hadn't seen it in any stores, and when I went in, they were pulling them out, y'all. And this is the Laura Mercier translucent setting spray. 16 hours. So when I tested it in the store on my hand, it almost dried down like a hairspray. Like it was like when you put your hand on it, it'd be hard to. So I know it's going to be a product that just really locks you in, but I'm excited to actually use it. So this is the packaging, and this is the little Laura Mercier translucent spray. Now I did get it in the mini size just because I want to test it out. More Sephora collection. I told you I was going to be getting some stuff from Sephora collection now. So I did recommend the Choco Excess eyeshadow to you guys, one of the single eyeshadows, but this one's in the shade Milky Way. And it's just a beautiful pinky champagne shade. Let's open it up so I can swatch it. So creamy and buttery. This is what it looks like. I feel like, yeah, it's showing up true to color. It feels like a cream. Look at that, y'all. And I think these are like $9 and you get 30% off. Y'all, this is a must-have. This might be the most beautiful thing I bought out of the whole entire haul. This is probably it. And then I got 2 of the Sephora plumping glosses, which I told you guys that I had never tried these before, but I was super excited to try them. I got one in the shade 08. It's like a beautiful mauve shade that has like glittery reflex in it, but they're soft glittery reflex. So it has a little tiny wand, y'all. The wand is really tiny and it's just super smooth. So this is going to be one of those glosses that fills in any cracks in your lips and just makes your lips look like glass. That's what this type of formula is going to give you. Superb quality. Like this is giving high-end luxe quality for pennies. You know what I mean? I feel like these are a must try. And then this one is color number 2, Nude. And this is like that perfect nude shade for African American skin tones. So I put that one here. So pretty. And last is a travel size shampoo and conditioner. Now, I told you guys about this during the spring Sephora savings event, and every time I went to a store, they either had the shampoo or the conditioner and never both. Well, they had both. So this is the Vegamour Revitalizing Shampoo, and this is the Vegamour Revitalizing Conditioner, and it's supposed to restore, retain, and renew. It's supposed to be for damaged hair and having really light level 10 blonde hair. It's really important to use shampoos and conditioners that are either for colored hair or either for damaged hair. That's the best thing to use. And so I'm super excited to try them out and let you guys know my thoughts. And last is an honorable mention. Now, this is something I didn't pick up, but I definitely want to recommend it to you. Oh my gosh. So before I left out of there, I sprayed a new fragrance that I had saw an email about, which is Jo Malone's Ginger Biscuit. And I was wondering what it smelled like, forgot all about it, and then walking around the fragrance section, I saw it, sprayed it on my hand. You guys, it smells like a beautiful, sweet, spicy gingerbread cookie. It smells amazing. It's just enough spice and it's just enough sugar. It's like neither one is fighting for attention. It's so smooth and sweet and pretty. I feel like it's something you could wear during the day all through the holidays and something you could wear to bed. It is so beautiful. And at the same time, it smells luxe. I don't know how Jo Malone did it, but it smells amazing and I've got to have it. I've got to have it, point blank period. Y'all, it retails for $168. So right now would be the time to pick it up. I've got to go. I have got to go back tomorrow and pick it up because it smells just that good. It's warm. It's beautiful. Go to your nearest Sephora or wherever they sell ginger biscuit from Jo Malone and just go smell it. Come back. If you decide to get it, click on my link in the description box just so that you guys can let Jo Malone know that I sent you. Use my link. But it smells so amazing. If you've already smelled it or you own it, comment down below so that I'm not the only one talking about this. I've never even heard anybody mention ginger biscuit before, but it smells amazing. And I feel like right now during the holiday season is probably the best time to wear something like this. So that's it for my Sephora savings event haul. I will have a second haul coming. Like I said, a little bit less than half of the list I had to go ahead and order online. So there'll be another haul coming. If you guys enjoyed this, comment down below. Let me know you enjoyed it. And also let me know what are some of those items that you picked up during the sale and which one were you most excited to try. Every single thing that I showed you guys today will be linked down below in the description box. So be sure to check that out. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come back, watch some more videos, join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.
'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the scars. Well, I don't have the answers.